Regrouping Practice 3. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to practice subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping. You'll need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Please copy this first problem down. 73 minus 23. I will give you a few moments to answer this problem on your own, and then we will review it together. You may begin. Let's answer this together. In 3 minus 3, there is no big number. They're both the same. When the numbers are the same, you circle the number on top. We do not need to borrow or regroup. So let's touch and count. 3, 2, 1, 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Next, we'll circle the 5, then we'll touch and count. 7, 6, 5. 73 minus 23 is 50. Be sure to check your work. Here's our next problem. 90 minus 46. Please copy this problem down. I'll give you a few moments to try to answer this on your own. Then we'll review it together. You may begin. Let's review this together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and fill in what you're missing. In 0 and 6, the big number is 6. Big, bottom, borrow. The big number is on the bottom, so let's borrow. We'll cross off the 8. We'll cross off the 9. It becomes an 8. And then we put the 1 in front of the 0 to make 10. Now let's touch and count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Next, we'll circle the 8, then we'll touch and count. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Our answer is 44. Be sure to check your work. Our next problem is 62 minus 38. Please copy this down. I'll give you a few moments to go ahead and answer it on your own. You may begin. Let's review how to subtract together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and fill in what you're missing. Between 2 and 8, 8 is the bigger number, so I'll circle. Big, bottom, borrow. The big number is on the bottom, so I must borrow. I'll cross off the 6, which becomes a 5. We'll add the 1 to the 2 to make 12. We'll touch and count. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. Next, we'll circle the 5, then touch and count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 62 minus 38 is 24. Be sure to check your work. There are only a few more problems left. Please copy this one down. 54 minus 28. Please copy this problem. I'm going to give you a few moments to answer it on your own. You may begin. Let's answer this together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and fill in what you're missing. Between 4 and 8, we'll circle the big number, which is 8. Big bottom borrow. The big number is on the bottom, so we must borrow. The 5 goes down to a 4. The 4 gets 10 added, becomes 14. Let's touch and count. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 14 minus 8 is 6. Next, we'll circle the 4. We'll touch and count. 4, 3, 2. Our answer is 26. 54 minus 28 is 26. Be sure to check your work. Our final problem is 86 minus 19. Please copy this down. I will give you a few moments to try to answer this on your own. You may begin. Let's answer this problem together. If you're not finished, you may follow along and fill in what you're missing. Between 6 and 9, we'll circle the 9. Big bottom borrow. The big number is on the bottom, so we must borrow. We'll cross off the 8, which becomes a 7. We'll add that 10 to the 6 to make 16. Let's touch and count. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. Next, we'll circle the 7, touch and count. 7, 6. Our answer is 67. 86 minus 19 is 67. Be sure to check your work. In this lesson, we practice subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping. Thank you for following along.